can't say that over-the-counter strips doesn't work. They work, but they are very limited. The reason is that the over-the-counter strips have no control over where they go in your mouth. They can touch your gums, they can affect it in a bad way, and they can cause some more damage than good sometimes. However, the difference at the dental office is that you are doing it with professional supervision, people who are qualified and attain degrees just to do services like this. So the dental office whitening is faster, stronger, and more safe for you and your mouth. When you come to our office for bleaching, we have mainly two options or a mix of both. We have an in-office bleaching, which is we use actually Zoom system, which is the most famous right now, and we also have an in-home route where we can make trays, and you take the bleaching gel in home, and you can choose how much whiter color you want, and how much sensitive you are to this. And these are the two options. Both of them have benefits and risks, of course, like everything in life, right? The office bleaching, you get 45 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 sessions immediately, and you get out with much whiter teeth, and it's much controlled by us. The in-home bleaching, it's a little bit much slower process. It will take about a month or two until you reach a visible result. But in the same time, you control how much whiter your teeth are and how much you are feeling and reacting to the sensitivity to the bleaching material. Some patients are afraid from whitening. That is correct, but in reality, whitening doesn't damage or affect our natural tooth structure. It's usually just affecting the stains and the organic material, which is the stains and the colors that are in our teeth. It doesn't really affect the hard structure of our tooth. So, however, we make sure by applying some fluoride varnishes, some desensitizer gels after our treatment, and generally speaking, nobody ever have a problem within 48 hours after our bleaching. Whitening, when done correctly and by a professional, uh, no, it's never painful when it's done correctly. But sometimes some sensitivity happens after whitening. That's pretty normal, and it's gonna be very mild, and we can control it. There are ways to control the sensitivity after whitening, like fluoride varnishes, like desensitizers, and your dentist always have these tools in his box. So it's really much more simple and nicer than what people imagine it is sometimes. So people are asking if teeth whitening a permanent or a temporary solution. It's actually neither. Okay, it is not a permanent solution, of course. Once you whiten, you don't keep that same color forever. That's the fact of it. However, you can extend the results for more than 6 months by doing the correct oral hygiene and oral care. And we actually have a protocol in our offices that we provide home bleaching trays to keep our results forever. You can do that if you have your home care kit and using it with our professional cleaning. Yes, you can keep doing it and maintaining it as long as you can.